Greeting Mark Brown. As you can see, we have an Excel sheet right here. We have some names and we have some grade here, but we just only want to print the name and only these two grade right here. So the last two grade, we definitely don't want to print it, right? So how can we do that without actually delete these? Alright, so we're going to come right here to the file, we're going to click on print, right? But before we go right here, yes, if we go to print right there, so when I go to print, if you notice, everything show up right over here. But if you come right here, right, and you click on this section right here, and for section right here, notice active, it's a print the entire worksheet, print a selected area right here. So definitely it says print a selected area. Alright, so we're going to go back. So this, the area that I wanted to actually print is this right here. Alright, so I block it, I come like this. Alright, I click on print. When I click on print, it says I selected the area, so I'm going to click right here, and this is the selected area. Definitely, if you notice right over here, it's going to show this area definitely what I want. Alright, so definitely I can actually print this and I'm good to go. Alright, so this is where you can actually print a selected section of your document right here in Excel. So thanks for watching, see you in the next video.